Hello there, so this is our pedal insert already installed on our frame. You might have a female latch on your door frame somewhere here. Maybe you will have two screws on the side, so just take them off and you will have just the cover. Under the cover you will have that locking system which is on other two screws, so take that off as well and you will have two holes here. This is a locking bracket which is inside your box with the pedal insert. So install that female latch on a locking bracket in a similar position as you had on a frame. It will be similar to this one. And now you can install that locking bracket on a pedal insert. Just keep in mind that there is a glass up to 12 millimeters here in a pedal insert, so don't go much more further on the glass. So just keep in mind that it's just up to 12 millimeters is the glass inside the aluminum extrusion. So install that locking bracket on your pedal inserts and line it up with the handle. So you'll be able to lock the door as you used to before. Once you're happy with the position, you can drill 3 holes, 1, 2, 3, through the locking bracket into the pedal insert. And now we are sending you that plate. You can bend that plate as you will need, and just drill 1 hole through the plate into your existing hole here, so you're not damaging your frame, you're not drilling any other hole, you're not damaging the property. So drill 1 hole through the plate and through the frame, and the other hole needs to go through the plate again into the pedal insert. But again, keep in mind that there is a glass up to 12 millimeters, so just don't go too close to the glass, so drill the hole somewhere here. In that case, nobody will push the door from the outside, so you will have a full security. The plate will be long enough for 2 holes, so if you like to, just trim the plate somewhere here in the middle, so you can use for both holes. Otherwise, just 1 will be enough. Just keep in mind the glass.